so all these are ready.
Oh, okay. I was making sure.
The purpose of the gardens here were started as a pilot program for the East Mesa community to bring greater access to healthy foods to the East Mesa and also to learn how to conserve soil and water resources when growing food on the East Mesa. The other purposes of the garden are to build economic opportunities in the East Mesa area and also to build youth opportunities on the Mesa. The East Valencia Urban Garden Programs is actually a partnership with the Valencia Soil and Water Conservation District, with Valencia County, with Youth Development Incorporated, with NMSU Extension Cooperative Agency, with VCAN, Valencia Community Action Network, and community members. The gardens are on county property. That's part of the partnership with the county. They provide the water, and it's behind both of the community centers. Right now we're at the El Cerro Community Center on county land, and the other garden is in Meadow Lake behind the community center.
Don't even need to go that deep.
But one of the goals of the program, because it is fostered under the Valencia Soil and Water Conservation District, is the goal of conserving soil and water resources.
So then we'll sprinkle that everywhere.
So we do that in a lot of different ways at the garden, and we experiment with different ways to develop our methods. We're really interested in using the healthy soil principles set by the Department of Agriculture in New Mexico.
As the leaves break down, it adds...
We cover our soil with mulch. We also try to grow plants all year long with a cover crop, have some sort of living root in the ground.
So what we're doing is spreading microbia.
We use compost, we don't use any chemicals. We also grow plants that are more culturally appropriate for this community that people want to eat. This is a really high wind area, and slowly but surely we're creating native wind block that serves different purposes. First, we grow native plants all around the garden. One of the purposes for that is to create habitat for pollinators and birds, which help to protect our garden and the insects naturally without using chemicals, but it also reduces the wind. The youth program has been really fun. It started the second year into the East Valencia Urban Gardens program from a grant with the Kellogg Foundation. We are now partnering with Youth Development Incorporated, who has taken on the funding indefinitely for this program. So it's been an awesome partnership. And what we do is the youth learn everything there is to know about growing food. They start from the beginning of the season all the way to the end, and they do the nitty-gritty. They create the beds, they create compost, they pick the weeds, they plant the seeds, they grow the plants, they maintain them, they harvest them, and they even sell them. And so the selling part is really critical because that gets the food out to the community at an affordable rate, but it also is important for the youth to take ownership of the program and to learn the start of how to start a business, basically. And they learn teamwork, leadership. So this is one of the only paid opportunities for youth available.